amongst us hasn't had low back pain at one time or another? All too often, we get a tweak from a simple action like bending over to pick up the newspaper or lifting heavy objects improperly. Sometimes the pain is caused by sitting for long periods of time, and other times it's from doing too much. No matter the cause, a concentrated combination of back strengthening, core toning, stretches, and a yoga tune-up therapy ball massage are the perfect quick fix remedy you'll find here. Let's get started. We'll begin on our backs in Sidewinder. Interlace your hands behind your head, tail on the floor, feet off the floor. Bend your body from side to side. This is to help tone into your oblique muscles, those waist muscles. Your waist muscles are instrumental for helping keep your lower back toned, supple, and healthy. Breathe deeply as you bend from side to side. Make sure that you're not twisting your head or turning it about, but that your spine and your oblique muscles, your waist muscles, are doing the movement for you. Your upper body and your lower body are going to be pulling together on each side, just like they were on two turntables. Good, and release. Next, revolt abdominal pose. Bring both arms out to the sides, 90 degrees to your body. Pull your feet off the floor, glue your legs together, almost as though you only have one leg. And then twist your lower body so that your knees tap down close to your elbow from side to side. Breathe continuously as you move. Knees staying glued together, doing your best to keep your hands on the floor. Breathe naturally, but do breathe. There's a tendency in this pose to actually separate your legs and let them get lazy. Your inner thigh muscles must work as you rotate from side to side here. It's all right if your shoulder comes up. If you're tighter, that's going to happen. If you're looser, it will stay down. Good, and release. Next, doing a pose that's a very deep side bend. It helps your lower back. It's called side bending shavasana. For that, separate your legs so they're wider than your blanket and open your arms out to the side. Take a deep breath in, press your lower back to the floor, and on exhale, hinge your body, folding over to the left. Take another deep breath in, and on exhale, increase the crease in your waist. Make sure that you're not increasing the crease by walking your shoulders. That's a cheat. But by using your waist muscles. Fold again. And then act as though there's a giant beach ball in between your legs. And start to cross your right leg towards your left. The idea here is not to just throw the leg over to the other leg, but to make it difficult for the legs to come together. This is going to do two things. It's going to deepen the contraction in your left waist, helping to wring out your lower back muscles, and it's going to increase the stretch on the right side of the waist, helping to stretch out the lower back and waist muscles. Good. Return to center. Deep breath in, and on exhale, other side. Crease over to the right. Make sure also that your lower back and hip are not lifting off the floor, but that they stay pressured down. Breathe in, and on exhale, increase the crease. Inhale again, and on exhale, increase the crease. Don't cheat by using your arms. Start to walk your leg across, imagining that you've got a big beach ball in between your legs that you're trying to crush. Keep sliding the leg across. Keep the lower back on the floor. Feel the increase of the contraction on the right side and the increase of the stretch on the left side, and then rebound, coming to center. Flip over onto your abdomen, coming into the locust mini-vid. Clasp your hands behind your back. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, rise up, inflating, and exhale, deflating. Inflate, deflate. Strengthen your lower back. deflate. Last time, inhale, rise, find those lower back muscles, and release. Good, pitch yourself back into child pose for a moment. Take 2 deep breaths that help to stretch the quadratus lumborum, your major low back muscles, and the longer erectors of your back. Breathe and swell that area. Good. And finally, we'll get a little massage on our low back muscles. You'll take your yoga tune-up balls and place them very close to your pelvis, not on the pelvic bones or the buttocks, but just above, in the middle of your lower back. Lay on your back. Gently place the balls close to your spine above your pelvis, and then simply tip your pelvis down to the floor as you inhale, and on exhale, lift it up. Inhale, tipping it down. Exhale, picking it up, allowing the balls to rub their way into your exquisitely toned lower back muscles. Excellently well done. You can stay and massage your lower back as long as you want. But for now, that's the end of your 5-minute yoga tune-up quick fix.